Hospitals say they're struggling financially right now more than ever to keep up with another rise in COVID cases. Now they're pushing for more federal funding before Congress leaves Washington later this month for the holiday. Today, Senator Richard Blumenthal also tried to build some support for local hospitals. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is joining us live right now. He is outside Hartford Hospital with more on why they all say they need more funding here. Mike?
Yes, Mark, executives here at Hartford Hospital and at other hospitals around the state say that this surge is creating some real problems for them. One of them being that people are getting less elective care than they were before, which is leading to a drop in revenue. But executives say they're also having a hard time getting the supplies that they need to fight the virus.
This pandemic relief package, again, is a down payment. It's a rescue package.
U.S. Senator Richard Blumenthal saying hospitals are in dire need of help. Congress is in talks for a $908 billion COVID relief package that would include $35 billion in help for hospitals. Today, hospital executives say they need help getting tests, PPE, and other equipment needed to fight the virus.
The supply chain is still broken, and there is simply no disguising that.
Hospital executives are also worried about their staff, saying more doctors and nurses are having to miss time because of close contacts with infected people in the community. This is only adding to the stress they're already facing.
We have heroic workers who are busy taking care of a rising number of COVID patients, and we don't really know how high the peak will be.
COVID relief could come in the form of aid for PPE and equipment, but it could also be funding to offset losses. Hospitals have been struggling as many people delay elective procedures. This relief would also come as hospitals are preparing to play a major role in delivering vaccines. Blumenthal remains critical of a lack of planning by the Trump administration. But today, he also pointed to reports that Trump declined offers to buy an additional 100 million doses from Pfizer.
I want the details. I want to know exactly what the reasons were for rejecting it.
Now, that $908 billion package would be a compromise between the $500 billion that Republicans were seeking and the more than $2 trillion package that Democrats put out earlier this year. Blumenthal says that $35 billion for hospitals likely won't be enough, and we may need to see more relief past early next year. Live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Okay, Mike, thank you. Meanwhile,